Welcome to Kiduzo.
Hello friends, today we're going to learn how to add and subtract with a song. Let's start. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's adding, easy to do. 2 plus 2 is 4. Add some more and learn even more. Now let's try to take away. That's subtracting. Hooray! 4 minus 2 is 2. See, subtracting is easy too. 5 plus 3 makes 8. Wow, adding feels so great. 8 minus 5 is 3. Math is fun, you'll agree. Great job! You learned how to add and subtract today. Keep practicing, and you'll be a math star.
Thanks for watching Kiduzo.